Hello everyone, today I gonna show you how to make delicious egg curry. So now you started to make with me egg curry. Firstly, we will put mustard oil in a pan. Then we add some cumin seeds, near about 1 spoon, tej patta, some choti ilaichi and long. Then we add chopped onion like this. Fry it all together a while. Now it's done. Now we add some tomatoes, garlic and chili paste. How much you want spices, you add chili. I am adding green chili and some chopped tomatoes. We all mix and fry it. Now we will put turmeric powder, red kasmiri mirch, salt to taste. Stir all together and we add some water. How much you want, you add water. Cover and cook until it boils. Now it's time to egg. We have two spilled and boiled eggs and have to pierce them with the help of fork like this. Now we will put all the egg in the gravy and cook for 10 minutes. Now it's ready. Garnishing with some coriander and mint leaves. Guys, if you like this egg curry, then hit the like button and share your friends and family and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye, take care, goodbye.